class, how's your day? Welcome back to science lesson for P5 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we're going to discuss new chapter 7, right? It's about sound. Ready for the lesson? Let's start. You're going to have two lessons in this chapter. The first one, how sounds are made, and the second, pitch and volume. So let's see for the first one, how sounds are made. In this lesson, you're going to investigate how sounds are made and do practical work safely. You can open the student's book, page 106 until 108. Have you been to a concert? How did the music travel from stage to you? Right, the music traveled from the instruments through the air to your ears. I have the other example. Can you stretch a rubber band, then pluck the stretched rubber band? What happens? I will play the recording here. One more time. So, do you hear a sound? When the rubber band is plucked, it moves quickly or vibrates and makes sound. Sounds are made when things or air vibrate. We can make things vibrate and produce sounds in different ways. For example, plucking, hitting, blowing, or shaking the object. So this is the tuning fork. For example here, the tuning fork will vibrate and make sound when we hit them. We are, as human, also be a source of a sound too. Which part of our body vibrates to make sounds when we talk or sing? Let's find out. You can touch your throat while you are talking. Do you feel your throat vibrating? So when we talk or sing, the vocal cords in our voice box vibrate and make sound. So the voice box is part of our throat here. So now, can sounds travel through air? I have several observations here. You can hit two spoons in the air. Can you hear the sound made by the spoons? Right, we can hear the sound because it travels from spoons to our ears through the air. The spoons vibrate when we hit them, then causes the air around the spoons to vibrate. This vibration travels through the air to our ears. Now, can sounds travel through liquids? Now you hit the two spoons in a basin of water. Now can you hear the sounds made by the spoons? We can hear the sound because of the vibration of the spoons travel through the liquid water and the air to our ears. Now, can sounds travel through solids? Can you place your ear to an of a wooden table, cover other ear, and use a metal spoon to tap the other end of the table? Can you hear a sound? Right, we can hear the sound too because of the vibration at the end of the table through the solid table to our ear. So we can sum up, we hear sounds when the vibration from their sources travel through materials to our ears. So the sounds can travel through air, liquids, and solids. Now let's continue for the lesson B, pitch and volume. So you are going to describe a sound by its pitch or volume, and then investigate how to change the pitch or volume of a sound. You can open the student's book, page 109 until 114. So we have two types of pitch. The first one is high-pitched sounds. Can you hear the examples here? The first one. Now the second one. And then now the third one. So those are the examples of high-pitched sounds. They can be made when the things vibrate quickly. Now the second type is the low pitch. second one. And then now the third one. So those are the examples of low-pitched sounds. They can be made when the things vibrate slowly. Pitch is different from the loudness or volume. High-pitched or low-pitched sounds can be loud or soft. Boys have higher-pitched voices than men. They can change when they grow up. So do most girls or boys have higher-pitched sounds? Right, the girls will have the higher pitched voices. Now, which makes the highest pitched sound and the lowest pitched sound? This is the example for the tuning fork. When you have the longest prongs, this is the longest prongs and this is the shortest one. The longest prongs make the lowest pitched sound, while for the shortest prongs make the highest pitched sound. So now talking about the volume. So you can place some beans on the top of a drum, and what do you observe? When we hit the drum, the skin of the drum vibrates. This causes the beans to jump. When we hit the drum quickly, the vibration of the drum skin are small and can produce the sound here soft. What will you observe if you hit the drum harder? Will the beans jump higher or lower? Right, it will jump higher. So when we hit the drum harder, the beans jump higher and the sound is louder. So it happens because of the vibration of the drum skin are larger. Small vibration will produce soft sound. Example, when used whisper, while the large vibration produce the loud sounds. So you can see from the example, the stretching of car tires is loud. So what can we use to measure the sound level? Right, you can use this equipment. So this is the sound level meter. So we can categorize sound into 3 levels. The first one here from 0 to 40 decibel will be the soft sound, and then 40 until 80 will be the moderate, and above 80 will be the loud sound. A loud sound has higher volume and sound level, and the higher volume and sound level than a soft sound, and the sound level can be measured in the unit decibel or dB. So loud sounds are above 80 here. We should protect our ears by avoiding loud sound. So please turn down your volume. I think that's all for our discussion in this video. We will talk more about sound in your class. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you. Bye everyone.